Hi, this is the first scenario in our first module, adding static column and driving a column into the data flow pipeline. I have already created this package. We have the data flow task there. Inside the data flow task, we have read data, we have the derived column transformation, and we have the destination. I have simulated the destination using the multicast transformation. Start with read data. This is the ADO.NET source, and we have this query to extract some data. It returns us the ID and city column. In derived column transformation, there are few columns like derived column name, derived column, expressions, data type, length, precision, scale, and code page. Derived column name is used to assign a name to a column, and derived column we can choose whether we want a new column as a new column or we want to replace the existing column. Expression is where we write the expression to drive a new column. So to add a static column, we have used a static value which is of type Unicode string with length 50, and we have casted it properly. To drive a new column using the input columns, we have to write an expression like this: id hyphen city. We have to cast the id as city is a string. This is non-Unicode string. What we need Unicode string. So we have casted it to WSTR with length of 50 characters. Similarly, we have casted the ID to Unicode string with length of 5 characters. So this is how we creates the static column and we drive a new column using the input column. So where are these input columns? These are available in this pane under the columns. So we can drag a column and you will notice that the data type was automatically created. But we have to concatenate it with city, which is a string type. So we have to cast the ID also into the string. So we are casting it to Unicode string with length 5 and then plus hyphen within quotes plus city. See, this is giving the length of 15 characters, but city may be more than that. So we have to cast it properly with a proper length. It should be 15 as per our requirement. And see, this is automatically generated. And we can choose to add this column as a new column or we can replace the existing column and we can assign this name. Okay, so this is how we can add a static column or we can drive a new column using the input columns. So let's execute this package. This is the output of ADIO-NET source, ID and city. This is the output of the derived column transformation. It has the ID and city. This is the source static column that we had created as a static column. This is the derived column using the input columns ID hyphen Delhi. So now these new columns are available in the data flow pipeline. So this is how we can create the static column and drive a new column using the input columns.